I'm burnt out. It's taken me a while to admit this. It's not a thing that I'm honestly used to. I've historically just kind of went and not really thought about these types of things, but wanted to take the time to reflect on the fact that I've been going a bit too fast and there's enough going on that it's made it harder to keep going, and wanted to have a bit of a personal moment. As you can tell by the chaos of this video, the lack of makeup or fancy shirt or hair being done or shaving, this is an unscripted, very impromptu vid. Not here to garner sympathy or try and farm a bunch of comments or clout for where I'm at, but thought it might be useful to share what it's like going through burnout and how I'm working to get out of it. So yeah, without further ado, let's go into how I got here. I feel like I kind of have two full-time jobs, and honestly, most of the time I love it. Whenever I'm tired of working on YouTube, I can go focus in on the company, writing code, solving product issues, responding to emails, just running a business. Whenever that gets frustrating, I can come to the channel and grind out a bunch of videos. I'm super lucky to have awesome teams on both sides. My CTO, Mark, and Julie is helping carry everything for a ping and upload thing, as well as on the content side, having Mir, FaZe, even people like Melky and Kisa helping out, making it possible to keep the channel going. Without all of these people, both Ping and my channel would have failed because I have just not been doing enough lately. On the business side, I just haven't been motivated enough to do much. Thankfully, both Mark and Julius have been carrying over there, but I'm slowing it down. I've been blocking them and it sucks. So how did I get here? Well, honestly, I tend to run pretty close to full capacity at all times. Historically, when I get burnt out on one thing, I just move to another and my own energy continues to recover. What I hadn't experienced before is when everything goes crazy outside of your work, how that affects your ability to stay motivated and build and do the things that I want to do. My personal life's been a bit chaotic lately. Obviously, we had the move, which was a huge, huge win. But outside of that, I've just had utter chaos. Everything from an unexpected cancer diagnosis for my father to a really unexpected breakup. It's been a lot. Thankfully, I think we're at the tail end of all that. We caught my dad's cancer really early and things are looking good. I'm happier than I've been in a bit. I'm finally motivated enough to come up here and actually use this studio that I'm paying thousands of dollars a month for. And I'm getting excited again. It's been a bit since I felt this way, since I had the motivation to come up here and film this video. I've been wanting to film this for 2 weeks and just couldn't bring myself to do it. Even though the video is titled I'm Burnt Out, and I still probably am, I do feel like I'm at the other end right now, and that this was a good time to talk about it for that reason. So how am I getting out of this? There's a trick that I picked up a while back that has been coming in clutch lately. I call it no zero days. Most good days I can get a lot done, but on bad days I'll often get nothing done. So what I've done is made a list of all of the big things I want to do towards the bigger goals that I have, and make sure that every day I get at least one of those things done. I will not go to bed until I've achieved at least one of the things I need to towards my bigger goals. One of those goals was to make this video, and I'm doing it much earlier than I expected. It's actually, took my watch, so yeah, it's not even 4 p.m. yet, and I'm already recording my video. But I have bigger things I want to work towards, and those are what are exciting me right now. I had a handful of videos I put much more effort into, and I'm really proud of. From the couch video to the return types video, I know I can make awesome things that aren't the usual sitting there and reacting to whatever chat has to say on Twitch. Despite those videos being some of my best work, the performance on them hasn't been great. And yes, obviously the branding and the packaging and the way I structure the videos has some amount to do with that. But it still sucks. Like, just knowing that I can put that much effort into a video and it doesn't perform much better than an average stream clip, it doesn't feel great. And I want to make sure I'm being grateful here because those stream clips are what power the channel. And the fact that I can just go live, talk about whatever chat brings up and find success with that is incredible. I am so lucky to have that opportunity. I don't want to let those videos not performing well stop me though. I love what I've seen with Prime having multiple channels, one for the reaction clips and one for the more focused recorded content. I want to figure out what it looks like for myself to do something similar. I have a bunch of videos I'm really, really excited to do that are not my traditional content. And I hope y'all will keep an eye out for those as they come. They might be on this channel, they might be on Theo Rants, and they might be somewhere else entirely. I just want to make awesome videos. And I'm really excited to do that again. And it's been motivating me like I haven't been motivated in a while. On top of that, I'm genuinely hyped about Upload Thing. It's an incredible product that makes uploading files better than it's ever been. I have a video about it if you haven't already checked it out. I don't want to just show what we built, but I do want to say how excited I am to see when I opened the dashboard a few days ago that for the past 2 weeks, we've doubled our daily active users. I have no idea why just yet, but it's so exciting to know that the product we built is resonating with people. Seeing that hundreds of people are signing up and using the product every day, it's just so exciting. And it motivates me to get up and get back to work. We have a lot of cool things coming for Upload Thing. So that's where I'm at. Every day, I try to do at least one thing that either makes Upload Thing better or sets me up to make the awesome videos that I'm excited about in the future. I'm also working on my first course. And yes, I know I promised to never sell a dev course. I'm not going to. I'm going to sell a DevRel course for people who want to get more into marketing and appealing to developers. It's a big risk and it's very different from what I've done before, but I think I can provide a lot of value and I'm genuinely excited to try. I'm trying to make this channel as valuable as possible to developers, old and new. And it's a lot of work, but I'm motivated more than ever right now. And getting out of the slump's been hard. But I think I'm at the tail end and I'm really excited for what's going to come out the other side. Thank you all for the time. I genuinely really appreciate each and every one of you for watching this. I know it's a more personal than usual video, but I know some of y'all will care. Let me know if this was helpful in any way or if the no 0 days rule is going to be a thing that you give a shot yourself. If you want a video about motivation and goal setting, I have one I'm really proud of right there. It was just a stream rant, but it's one that I thought was really good, so I recommend it a lot. Peace, nerds.